In this video, we'll demonstrate the use of boolalpha and noboolalpha to print true/false instead of 1/0. So what we have is a Boolean variable called flag, and it's set to true. And here we demonstrate without boolalpha, this value true will print as 1. And when we want to change that to actually print as true instead of 1, we can then see out boolalpha. And after we turned boolalpha on, now the flag or whatever value that the flag holds will print as it is. So in this case, true. If you wanted to turn it off again, then you use noboolalpha to send it back to the default. So let's run the program to see how this actually works. So over here, initially that true value is actually equal to 1, but because we set switched on, or let's say we set boolalpha, see out boolalpha, then that 1 is gonna be written as true. And then when we said no boolalpha, so we switched it back off, then now it's back to printing 1. We can try also doing this the other way, which is false. So this would print as 0. And let's just switch this off. And then that would false as actual false. And yeah, I think there's nothing else that talks about true. So let's build. So now it will be 0, false, 0. So initially, like, the default, when you're printing out a Boolean, it will just false is actually 0. Because we switched on boolalpha, that prints out as false instead of just that value 0. And then switching it back off, see out no boolalpha, will turn it back to 0. So it really depends on how you want to display your information. So let's look at key takeaways. By default, C++ prints Boolean values as 1, which is for true, and 0 for false. Boolalpha changes this to print true and false as words, like we saw in our output. And then no boolalpha turns that off, returning to numeric output as 1 and 0. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.